Okay, so for a problem like this, where we have variables on both sides and distribution, we're going to always start with the distribution of the parentheses. So we have a 2 in front that we need to distribute. When we say distribute, what we really mean is multiply. So 2 times x is 2x, and 2 times -4 is -8. The other side doesn't have any distribution, so it will remain the same. Now, just like in the previous questions, when you have variables on both sides, you need to eliminate one of them. So I'm going to eliminate this 2x here on the right. It's a positive 2x, so I'm going to subtract 2x. The reason being is 2 minus 2 is 0, and they will now eliminate, leaving me with -8. But when we look at the left side, we also have 2 minus 2, which is 0, and they also eliminate, leaving us with -8. Now, when both variables eliminate, our answer is either no solution or infinite solutions. Okay? Sometimes you might actually get an answer, but in this case, if both variables are eliminated, we don't have an x anymore, so we cannot solve to get one number as our answer. So how can we tell if it's no solution or infinite? We look at this statement, -8 equals -8, and determine if it's true or not. -8 does in fact equal itself, so this is a true statement, which means that it is infinite solutions. No solution would be if it was a false statement. Okay? So -8 does in fact equal -8, which means that we have an infinite number of solutions, an infinite number of answers that would make this equation equal. Thank you.